Today we're reviewing the WIWB gaming desktop PC, featuring a Ryzen 5 4500 processor and an RTX 3050 GPU. It also includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, aiming to be a versatile machine for gaming and productivity. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into what this WIWB gaming PC can realistically achieve in various scenarios. For popular competitive esports titles, this system provides a smooth experience at 1080p, maintaining solid frame rates due to its. When playing demanding new AAA games at 1080p, you'll need to adjust graphics settings to medium or low for A. Basic streaming for casual content is possible, leveraging the GPU's encoding capabilities, but it's not ideal for highly professional or for school assignments, office work, or general productivity. The Ryzen 5 processor and 16 GB of RAM offer very responsive performance. This PC handles everyday productivity and esports gaming well, though its capabilities diminish with more graphically. Now, let's consider the value proposition of this WIWB gaming desktop compared to its. The Ryzen 5 4500 and RTX 3050, combined with 16 GB RAM and an SSD, represent a solid component package for. Trust in the WIWB brand is a significant concern as it lacks the established reputation of major manufacturers, impacting confidence. Against other entry-level pre-built gaming PCs, this system holds its own in terms of raw specifications for the price. This PC becomes a significantly more appealing option when found at a discount, offering compelling performance for its reduced cost. The raw specifications provide reasonable value for an entry-level gaming PC, but a lack of established. Every purchase has risks, and with a newer brand like WIWB, these considerations are: without detailed, independent reviews, the actual quality of the internal components like the motherboard, power supply, and cooling remain unverified. The long-term reliability of this system and its individual components is uncertain due to limited data on the brand's manufacturing. The level and responsiveness of customer support, along with the specifics of the warranty, are unclear, which can be a. Using standard industry components means there should be no inherent compatibility issues with most games or productivity applications you'd want. The primary risks stem from the unknown quality of internal components and the unclear support structure. Ultimately, the WIWB gaming desktop PC is a viable option for those stepping into PC gaming at 1080p, especially if you find it at a compelling discount. It delivers on basic performance for esports and daily tasks, but the brand's newness brings inherent risks regarding long-term reliability and support.